Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, find and pick your Play Store, then go to the More icon, click on My Apps and Games right here, and in the first tab you will find all the updates. So here are all applications that can be updated. You can either update all of them at once by tapping on the switcher, Update All, or you can pick some particular application, for example Gmail. Just click on Update tab right next to the name of the application and wait until it's downloaded and then installed. So this is how you can get the latest versions of your applications. Just have to patiently wait, and afterwards you can use your application and the newest version. Meanwhile, obviously you can use your device in a normal way, you can do whatever you want to, and it will be done. All the applications will be updated in the background. So let me open the Play Store one more time, and as you can see now it's been installed, so just give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, Gmail has been updated, and then you can update all applications by tapping on Update All, and it will be done automatically. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily update applications in your device in your HOMTOM HT16. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.